Once you get to the end of your section of the FAFSA, you will have the opportunity to review your section. Review the section and make sure that your responses look correct. If anything doesn't look right, click the question and you'll be taken back to that question on the FAFSA. After reviewing your responses, click Continue to go to the next page. Review the green summary box on the next page that explains the legal language below. It is saying that you confirm everything on your FAFSA is correct and you understand that you are about to sign a legal document. At the bottom of the page, you'll need to check the box on the left, and on the right, you'll either have the option to sign or sign and submit the form. If another contributor still needs to complete their section, you will only have the option to sign the FAFSA and won't be able to submit it. The FAFSA can only be submitted after all contributors have completed their section. The last contributor to do so will have the Sign and Submit button. If this is your FAFSA and you are waiting for a parent or spouse to complete their section of the FAFSA, encourage them to do so soon so that your college or colleges can get your information. Once the FAFSA is submitted, if you are a parent or spouse, you'll see a confirmation page saying that the FAFSA is submitted. If this is your FAFSA, you'll see an estimated Student Aid Index, also known as SAI, and federal aid eligibility. You'll get this information via email if another contributor is the one who submits the FAFSA. If the SAI says that it can't be calculated, someone either forgot to sign the FAFSA or didn't consent. Once the FAFSA is processed, this can be corrected. Review your FAFSA submission summary once it is available to ensure everything is processed correctly.